Hey guys, so you guys remember my old tutorial on how to make a teenager for confusion on my third channel? Well, yeah. Well, that video got outdated, and plus that video was really cringy, and so I decided to remake that tutorial, and instead I decided to make it for the 700 subscriber special, which again I cannot thank you guys enough for 700 subs. And plus, Rewind 2022 will be coming soon. But anyways, let's get started.
That looks like a terrifying door. May I just
So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to KineMaster, or if you want, you can go to Alight Motion. So for me, I'm going to go to Alight Motion, and right here it should be loading.
Oh my days. Well, that just took me on the giant rabbit. Now I know what that is. I saw it earlier and was like, what was that? It's a giant death rabbit.
Okay, now you want to click on the plus button. And now, if you want to rename your project to whatever you want, that's okay. But anyways, I will say, if you want to rename your project to whatever you want, that's fine. But for me, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to do that. So click create project.
The ending eventually. 21 just does not work. All right, let's do number 22. Hey.
So after that, you go to media. And you click the plus button, go to media, then and then you want to choose your G4 video that you want to use. So this is I'm forgetting which numbers I've done. I am just gonna. And now what you want to do is you want to click on the layer. You want to go to effects. Click add effect, and then you want to first choose kaleidoscope.
We can survive this. If I can just find a way to escape, we can survive, Franklin. Wait, it's behind me. He's behind me. He's behind me.
Make the angle to
what are you doing?
90 degrees.
Please don't kill me. I'm begging you, buddy.
Yep, make it 90 degrees.
And
lower this video, the bottom layer down, and then make the set. And then make the setting
what about unlucky number 13,
to 0.
Huh? Unlucky number
so
13.
Even.
Where am I? Am I trapped? What? Guys, there's no way out of here.
And then what you want to do next is click add effect again. Now you want to choose invert. So that's the effect that's going to take the affection of your video. So you want to have invert red, green, and blue all checked. Don't all check any of them. But yeah, now you go to add effect again, and you basically now click hue shift, and you put that to.
You can't do that. I'm buried underground. All right, guys. Well, Franklin
to
is now
180.
Being buried alive.
Right.
What about number 6?
And now you want to export the project.
Let's do this. Michael, why am I in Michael's house?
And then after that, we'll go over to KineMaster.
Amanda, have you seen Michael? Why am I in your
So
house?
yeah, I'm gonna fast forward you guys because this is gonna take long.
Amanda, come on. What about the front door? I'm gonna just go through the front door. What? I can't get out. I literally can't get out, dude. Hey, Tracy, listen, I could do with a favor. Can you help me get out of here, please? What's happening to your head? Are you okay, Tracy? Okay, guys, something weird is going on, but Tracy won't let me out. She's not even speaking to me. Amanda, someone let me out, please. Oh, Amanda, thank goodness. Wait, you didn't look like that earlier. What happened to you? No. Even this door isn't opening. Come on, please. You gotta let me out of this house. You gotta let me out of here. Tracy, come on. You gotta do... Tracy, what's wrong with you, Tracy? What? Tracy, you're killing me. Guys, she's a zombie. No, please, Tracy, please.
Okay, now it's done.
Come on.
So
I never want that to happen again. I literally never want that to happen again. It's stuck in Michael's house in a zombie
now let's go
apocalypse.
over to KineMaster.
I'm on a crane. Hey. Listen to me. You don't want to do this, okay? Don't you dare step a foot towards me. All right, I'm vicious. I can take you out. Franklin, we're in a really bad situation here. This is not home. Wait, can I see home from here? Oh, man, I can. I'm so close. Right, I'm going to start walking closer to this guy. Hey, what are you doing? You can't shoot me. You can't. No. What is he doing? I've been doing this for an hour, and I still haven't found the door. Let's do number 18. This glass door. Am I in the police station?
Now you want to choose the Eye motion.
No, you can't trap me
The
in here,
latest
guys.
eye
Come
motion
on.
video
Oh, wait, why are there a bunch of cops here? Hey, listen, can someone let me out of here?
Sir, get out of the room, now!
I would if I could, man, but I
No.
can't. This door's locked. Can you
This
open
was
it?
a
Sir,
reverse
this is an
podcast.
unauthorized area. Get out of the room, now!
I'm
Now,
trying.
you
Look,
wanna
I'm trying. The door's locked. I can't get out of the door.
duplicate
See?
it
It's
as a
locked. It
layer.
won't let me out.
Sir, we
You
will
wanna
not ask
actually
again. Get
have
out of
to
the room.
Well, in that
layer
case, I'm
down,
just gonna load up
or
in here and
you
take
could
them
just
out.
do
And maybe we can get the keys
the
and go
alpha
home. Let's
or
do
the
opposite.
opposite
I tried asking
down to
politely.
0.
Now I'm not going
Said,
to. You're going down. Oh,
You
boy.
mute this, you
Franklin,
mute the
what have we
actual
died?
video
What have we
itself,
died, my guy? Screw
and
you,
then you
officers.
reverse
yeah,
the-
yeah. Look who's winning now, huh? Me. Look who's winning now. Right, number 60. What kind of door is this? This is a normal door. All right, number 60. I found the... Yes, yes, I'm so happy. We found it. Oh my days. Number 60. That's what it was. Check it out, guys. I finally made it home. I don't believe it. Hey, is Chop here? Chop.
Okay.
Can I hang out with
Now
Chop?
the
Please
reverse
tell me I
is
can.
completed.
Yes, that's the pool I
Now-
was stranded in. This was too crazy. I wanna
Now
find a
my
way to get
video
that
is
gold
probably gonna
back.
lag,
Let's
so
go back to that
I'll
bank and
just
see if we can
play
bring it back
quick
here.
little
Maybe we can
preview
take it and
videos.
like spend it on.
Okay, so that wasn't like it at all. So I'll show you the whole video.
Looks like
Now you want to go
I just add number 89
and
is like a
choose your
scary
resolution
shit.
or
And
frame
using
rate
reverse
right here.
psychology,
For me, I'm
scary
just gonna
story
choose it
probably
to
like
60
the best one,
FPS
right? Okay, let's go with
and
the scariest
to
one. Oh no, this is equally as
Full
scary.
HD 1080p. So yeah.
Oh,
And then what
no,
you want to do
Franklin,
is
why
click
would we do
save
that?
as
Why?
export,
Oh, my
whichever
days.
version
Well,
you have
that's just me on the
KineMaster.
giant rap. Now I know what
Oh
that
yeah,
is.
I'll be coming back
Earlier,
to
I
you
was
guys
like,
once it's
what was that?
finished. Okay guys,
It's a giant
now
death
the
rap.
video
Number
is
90
done.
looks promising.
So if you want to save it to your gallery or you want to upload it to YouTube, you can. But for me, I'm going to upload it to YouTube.
No.
And yeah, once I upload this video to YouTube, I'll end this
Beautiful.
recording.
Round of applause to Franklin Clinton. Round of applause, buddy. Round of applause. We will find the
Okay.
ending eventually. 21 does
Title.
not work. All right, let's do number 22. Why am I in Simeon's store? Hey, Simeon, my man. Need any cars collecting today? Why have you got guns? Oh, no. Simeon, I'm your friend. Simeon, I've collected cars for you. Why'd you kill me? I don't think Simeon likes me anymore, guys. I'm forgetting which numbers I've done. I am just gonna have to do this on which door looks cool. Like, look at number 59. That looks really cool. It's got electricity on. 13,000 volts. Oh, no, I know where they put me. They put me in the Merryweather base. Quick, run! Franklin, run for your life, buddy. Jeez, there's a guard there, isn't there? Oh, no. Hide. We can survive this. If I can just find a way to escape, we can survive, Franklin. Wait. He's behind me. No. What are you doing? What is this guy doing? Please don't kill me. I'm begging you, buddy. Please, I just want to get home. I just want to see my family and shop at everyone. Oh, no, there's even more of them. Dude. All right, Franklin, run, buddy. Run.
Well guys, we're gonna pause the recording and I'll
This
be
is
right back.
impossible. What about
Okay guys,
number
now
30?
the recording.
Huh?
Okay guys,
Unlucky
now
number
the video is
13.
done. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I'm not even kidding. There is no way out of this room. There's got to be something I can do. That means meteors. Earlier, I was like, what was that? It's a giant death ramp. Number 90 looks promising. I mean, that door, it looks like the door to like the most haunted house ever. It looks like a haunted face. Take me somewhere nice. No. This isn't nice. Oh, this is the ending. I found it. And I'm dead. Beautiful. Round of applause to Franklin Clinton. Round of applause, buddy. Round of applause. We will find the ending eventually. 21 just does not work. All right, let's do number 22. Why am I in Simeon's store? Hey, Simeon, my man. Need any cars collected?